Have you ever wondered what truly fueled the rapid economic growth of early America and how that growth tragically shaped human lives across different regions? The answer lies in the very ground beneath the footsteps of a developing nation, specifically in the cultivation of highly profitable agricultural products. Cash crops profoundly influenced the development and characteristics of regional slave systems by dictating the type, intensity, and scale of labor required, which in turn shaped population demographics, economic structures, and social hierarchies in the American South. The specific demands of each crop created distinct forms of enslavement, making the experience vastly different depending on the region. This occurred because different crops had unique cultivation requirements. For example, cotton, which became king in the Deep South, demanded extensive land and year-round, grueling labor to plant, tend, and harvest. This led to the expansion of large plantations, a high concentration of enslaved people, and the brutal gang labor system where groups worked from sunup to sundown under strict supervision. In contrast, early Chesapeake tobacco farming was also labor-intensive, but often on smaller tracts of land, initially leading to a mix of indentured servitude and enslaved labor before fully transitioning to chattel slavery. Along the coastal regions of South Carolina and Georgia, rice and indigo cultivation thrived in marshy, disease-ridden environments, often utilizing a task system, which granted enslaved individuals a degree of autonomy once their daily tasks were completed, though the work remained exceptionally arduous. Understanding these agricultural drivers helps us to comprehend the profound economic motivations that not only fueled the expansion of slavery but also deeply entrenched it as a core institution, making abolition incredibly difficult. By recognizing how specific crops shaped labor practices and human management, we gain insight into the varied forms of resistance and cultural development that emerged within these distinct systems of enslavement. It is crucial to recognize terms like the gang labor system versus the task system. The gang system, prevalent in cotton and sugar, involved large groups working collectively under direct overseer supervision, prioritizing maximum output through constant pressure. The task system, often seen with rice and indigo, assigned individual enslaved people specific duties, allowing them to use their remaining time for personal cultivation or family, illustrating a different form of control and limited agency. These systems were not arbitrary. They were direct responses to the ecological suitability and labor demands of the dominant cash crops in each region. Ultimately, the economic imperative of cultivating cash crops like cotton, tobacco, rice, and indigo directly shaped the regional variations of the slave system, creating distinct, yet universally brutal, forms of exploitation that left an enduring and complex legacy on the American landscape, its economy, and its people.